Now I will discuss with you the other important functional areas or the role of AIS or Computerized Accounting System in the various segments of accounting. Earlier I shared with you that how the sales order is processed under the AIS and also how the inventory is controlled under AIS. Now we will discuss that how the human resources or manpower is controlled and managed through the AIS. You also know that human resources is very important asset of an organization or its main component of every organization. Its management and its maintenance is very essential. Computerized accounting system helps us in its management as well as in its maintenance. How it helps us? The human resources module maintains data about employees including hours worked and the wage rate. Basically, it is known as the payroll accounting. It is used for preparing payroll and payroll tax information. Here, payroll and payroll tax here means that the salary, commission, bonus or compensation details of all the employees as well as the tax accrued or the tax to be deducted from the employees' compensation. You all know that in the large organization, large number of the employees, they functions. Say in big organization, there may be the 1000 employees, 2000 employees, and it becomes a difficult task for the accountant to prepare the details relating to their compensation, that is salary, commission, bonus, packages and other allowances regularly or periodically. So in order to help them, AIS or the computerized accounting system automatically, correctly and accurately calculate the detail of the salary, commission, wages, bonus and the other record is maintained. So what other type of the record is there? Relating to their qualification, relating to the date of appointment, relating to the date of retirement, relating to the number of hours or the days they had worked, the leaves they had taken, as well as the wage rate which they had to be paid for that. So AIS also helps in the maintenance of the human resources of an organization or known as the payroll accounting. The other important area where the AIS helps in the production of an organization, that is the production module tracks the flow of cost through the manufacturing process. We all know that cost of production is a very important element in the determination of the selling price of an organization. So under AIS, correct cost of production is calculated so that the manufacturer can fix the accurate selling price of their product or the services. So under production module, it tracks the flow of cost of the different items at the different stages of the manufacturing process so that the accurate selling price can be determined. Likewise, to the production, it also contributes to the asset management. You all know that assets, they are broadly categorized into two segments, non-current or the fixed assets or the current asset or the non-current or the current assets. Now, asset management is very important because the asset involves a very large amount of the funds. Computer always take care of all the details of the asset, that is what the asset cost is there, what their expected useful life is there, when assets or where these assets are located in the company, the amount of depreciation to be charged on them as per the provisions of the various act. So computerized accounting system or AIS helps with reference to the asset management of the organization. Then with reference to the financial management, as earlier I told you that the whole accounting system transfer from manual to the computerized system, and it keeps track record of the debt or the loan of the organization, the capital of the organization, their repayment schedule of the loans, interest rates, shareholder information, and other various aspects relating to the financial management module or system. How much loan has been taken, when it has been taken, when the interest become due or accrued, how and which way the interest is to be paid off, what the repayment schedule is there, what the shareholder information is there. These all areas are associated with the financial management. So under AIS, the detail is kept relating to all these areas also. Simultaneously, the journal ledger or the financial reporting module provides information for use by external stakeholders, including the shareholders and government regulators. You all know that there are various groups or parties who are interested in the financial information of an organization. They to be grouped into two broad categories: internal users and the external users. Internal users include employees, management, and other parties. External users include financial institutions, shareholders, government, regulators, controllers, academic institutions, and other parties also. So, under this important component, accounting information system generates various types of the reports, various types of the statements through which the result is to be depicted, or through which various other information depending upon the requirement of the user can be given. And a journal ledger or the financial reporting module maintains, which helps and support to the other various aspects of the financial system. Then under AIS, subsidiary accounts include transactions for the individual customers, suppliers, or products. Records for all subsidiary accounts of a particular type are maintained in a subsidiary ledger. Subsidiary ledger here means the ledger which records the various other transactions which are not recorded in the main ledger. So, computerized accounting system, all that information is also recorded through the subsidiary accounts, where individual customers, that is the debtors, creditors, payables, receivable, and all other records are to be maintained in a subsidiary ledger. So AIS or computerized accounting system also helps in the maintenance of all that information with reference to the subsidiary accounts. So this way we had learned how the AIS or computerized accounting system helps in the maintenance of the various components or various parts, or role plays a very significant role in every organization. I will continue in our next class relating to the other aspects of the computerized accounting system and the role of the computer in accounting and how it is very much useful to everyone. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Dear students, continue to read all the topics so that you would have the perfection in every area. In case you had any problem, you feel free to talk to me, but please call to me in the morning from 10 to 2 and in the evening from 5 to 8. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.